Ever wondered, is Capital One a bank? Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a question that might surprise you. Is Capital One actually a bank? You might think this is a no-brainer, but the answer is a little more nuanced than a simple yes or no. So, buckle up, finance fanatics, because we're about to unpack the world of Capital One. Let's rewind a bit. How often do you use your debit card? Maybe to grab coffee, snag some groceries, or treat yourself to a shopping spree. But have you ever stopped to think about the institution behind that plastic? It's likely a bank, the cornerstone of our financial system. Banks hold our deposits, secure our savings, and issue loans to help us with big purchases. They're the middlemen, the safekeepers, the financial powerhouses, right? Well, that's where Capital One comes in. They offer a vast array of services: credit cards, auto loans, checking and savings accounts. Sounds like a bank, doesn't it? But here's the twist: Capital One itself isn't technically a bank. Let me explain. Capital One is actually a financial holding company. Think of it as the umbrella corporation, the big boss overseeing a bunch of smaller financial institutions. The key player under this umbrella is Capital One, N.A., that stands for National Association. This is the federally chartered bank that provides all those services we mentioned: credit cards, loans, accounts. It's Capital One, N.A. that's FDIC insured, meaning your deposits are protected up to a certain amount by the government. So, why the distinction? Why not just be a bank from the get-go? Well, there are a few reasons. Holding companies like Capital One Financial Corporation allow for greater flexibility. They can own different types of financial institutions, like investment firms or insurance companies, all under one roof. This diversification can be a good thing, spreading risk and offering customers a wider range of products. Here's an analogy: imagine Capital One as a giant supermarket. The holding company is the corporation that owns the whole store. But inside the supermarket, you have different departments: bakery, produce, electronics. Capital One, N.A. is the bakery, churning out delicious financial products like checking accounts. Now, this technical difference between holding company and bank might seem like trivia. But it's important to understand the structure behind the financial institutions we use every day. It gives us a clearer picture of how our money is managed and protected. Capital One in a nutshell. Here's the takeaway: Capital One Financial Corporation is the holding company, and Capital One, N.A. is the federally chartered bank offering the services we typically associate with a bank. So, while Capital One itself isn't technically a bank, it does operate a bank as a subsidiary under its umbrella. K means clustering fun, Python break. Hey data enthusiasts! Did this video spark your interest in financial data analysis? If you're itching to dive deeper, here are some fantastic Python libraries for k-means clustering. Scikit-learn: this is the go-to library for machine learning tasks in Python. It has a user-friendly implementation of k-means clustering, making it a great choice for beginners and experts alike. Pandas: this workhorse library excels in data manipulation and analysis. It integrates seamlessly with Scikit-learn, allowing you to prepare your financial data for clustering efficiently. Matplotlib/Seaborn: once you've performed your k-means analysis, you will want to visualize the results. These libraries create beautiful and informative charts and graphs, helping you interpret the clusters in your financial dataset. These are just a few of the many powerful Python libraries available. With a little exploration, you can unlock the secrets hidden within your financial data using k-means clustering. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy learning.